Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Dave the Phone Guy. A few days ago, my battery life was down to 20% and it was going to be hours before I was home and could plug in. So today, I'm gonna show you the 5 steps that I took to extend my battery life. Let's get into it.
Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to want to do is change the refresh rate. So go ahead and pull down the notification shade, hit the settings icon, go to display, and click on screen refresh rate, and change that to 60 Hertz. And from there, you're going to want to go back one step and click on resolution, and you're going to want to change that from Quad HD Plus to Full HD Plus. This way your phone's pushing less pixels. From here, we're gonna go back again and we're going to click on sleep. And I like to keep my screen on for a minute at a time just in case I'm reading something, but it uses up a lot of juice. So I dropped it down to 15 seconds. So from here, you're gonna scroll down to the bottom and click on theme. Now, I already keep mine on dark, but if you kept yours on colorful or light, go ahead and switch it over to dark mode. And then the last and the most extreme step that I took, I put the phone in battery saving mode. So you're gonna wanna pull your notification shade all the way down. And from here, you just click on battery saver. And this is gonna shut down a lot of the background syncing, your backups, your notifications. A lot of different things are gonna shut down to help extend the battery life as much as possible. And you can see in this circumstance, based on my current usage, it's gonna give me 13 hours and 7 minutes. Just so you guys have an idea of how I've used my phone so far today, I was down to 67%. Looks like Google Play Services is actually wreaking havoc on my phone today. I probably need a reboot. It's been a little while since I've done that. I have an hour and 40 minutes of screen on time. I've been off the charger for 6 hours. Remember, I keep my phone at a refresh rate of 90 Hertz all the time. I keep it on QHD Plus all the time. I want all the pixels, I want all the refresh rate.
All right guys, as you can see, it's really simple to extend your battery life when you're running low on juice. As always, I appreciate you watching, and if I've helped you in any way, please hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified of my next video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I think that's it. Okie dokie.